and also what are possible salaries I would realistically expect to be given given years of experience. It also depends on where you're at too. To get a good idea, what you could do is go to here. Let me show you. ISO salary US. Okay, I'm just googling it right now. I'll give you an idea, but I want to show you where you can search this up for yourself. So here I am on Google, and there's a couple sites, salary.com, ZipRecruiter, and some others that'll give you an idea of what the salary is. And it depends on what location it as well. But for an ISO salary in the US, ISO, that's all I typed into Google here. You can do this on Bing or DuckDuckGo or whatever. The average salary for an information system security officer in the United States is approximately $118,000 per year, and typically range between $95,000 and $138,000. This is accurate. Yeah, this is accurate. So they give you an idea. Some folks that I work with are making around 108. And last place I was at, it was between 120 and about 150. So this is a little low. I make right now about 135. That's not to brag whatsoever. I mean, there's people making triple what I make or double what I make, right? I'm just being real with you. And to be honest with you, my insurance is so freaking high that I make more like 118. Anyway, so yeah, this is about right. 180 depends on what state you're in. So this is around the salary right here. This is a good average. Let me see what else. So ISOs, I know that there's some big ballers out there on cybersecurity. There's some big ballers, man, making like 250 to 300. There's some ballers. But for those of us who are starting out, right, you're probably not going to make that kind of income as an ISO, as a GRC person. And keep in mind the work we're doing. Like there are Meta jobs. Like Meta just put out something. Meta, OpenAI, those guys are paying like 200 for ISOs. So if you can get those jobs, those are very, very, very competitive. But if you can get those, yeah, they're paying with all of the perks and all of their dope ass stock options and stuff. You're going to be pulling down 200 or more. But the average for just regular folks, yeah, it's around 118. But that's not bad. That's more than the average American makes. I mean, that's not bad. Depends on the area too. Like if you said Virginia, let's say Virginia, let me show you what I'm talking. Virginia, it's gonna be a different number, a little bit higher. See, 133 is the average in Virginia, but they're granted in the DMV area they pay way higher amount. And then let's look at versus Omaha, Nebraska. So you get an idea of like what's the range. 76,000. Now keep in mind Nebraska, number one, don't have that many jobs and the cost of living is way, way lower. So 80,000 in Nebraska is pretty good. 80,000 in DMV area is not good. Not good. And then watch this. Let me show you another one. New York. New York is it's a whole nother ball game because it's way more expensive there. 150, right? 150 is the average. And then if you say, watch this one, San Francisco. So I know this one's going to be pretty high. Yeah, so it's about up there with New York. 139 to 149, 150. So yeah, those are the ranges that you can expect. Not bad.